In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your HubSpot deal pipeline like a pro. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, I'll guide you step by step through the process of managing your sales pipeline efficiently. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to your HubSpot user guide. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot portal. Once you're there, look for the option that says CRM. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on CRM will bring you directly into the heart of your sales pipeline, where you can organize and manage all your deals. Next, you'll want to focus on the Deals section. This is crucial because it allows you to keep track of all potential sales opportunities. By clicking on Deals, you'll be viewing a comprehensive list of everything currently in progress. It's like your sales dashboard where you can quickly see what's in the pipeline. Now, let's add a new deal to your pipeline. To do this, you'll click on the Create button. This begins the process of entering a new sale opportunity. As you click on Create, you're setting the foundation for tracking a specific sales objective throughout its journey from start to finish. Once you've clicked on Create, you should see a field labeled Deal Name. This is where you will input the title of your deal, which is a critical step. Consider making the name descriptive yet concise to ensure it's easily identifiable at a glance. After naming your deal, proceed to the Pipeline field. In this section, you'll select which pipeline this deal falls into. Pipelines help segment deals into various categories or types based on how your sales processes are structured, which in turn aids in better organizational flow. Following this, you'll adjust the deal stage. This indicates the current phase of your deal, such as initial contact, negotiation, or closed won. Identifying the correct stage is key to understanding what actions need to be taken to move the deal forward. Next, set the amount associated with your deal. Indicating the monetary value is crucial for forecasting potential revenue. Ensure accuracy in this section as it directly impacts financial projections. Then, specify the close date. This expected end date helps prioritize deals based on urgency and likelihood to close within a time frame that aligns with your goals. Moving forward, assign a deal owner by selecting yourself or a team member responsible for managing this deal. Clear ownership ensures accountability and drives activity towards achieving a successful outcome. Also, define the deal type. Categorizing the nature of the deal, such as new business or renewal, adds another layer of organization that can enhance tracking efforts. Finally, you can assign a priority level to the deal. This allows you to rank deals by importance or potential impact, helping you focus efforts on high-value opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through creating and managing a deal within your HubSpot pipeline. With these steps, you're equipped to effectively streamline your sales process and enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.